Alright guys, we got two cop cars here. And it looks like a tow truck up there. Maybe not. Maybe it's just a work truck. But oh no, it is. I don't know what it is. Oh, it is a tow truck. So they're gonna tow this one here. Oh. Okay. So I guess they're gonna tow this truck right here. That guy didn't look too happy in seeing me. Oh. I guess I just drove up on this, man. I was headed out to get gas. And I seen these guys right here. I'm like, holy shit, they're right here. I was watching the movie Harriet, which is about Harriet Tubman. But I got kind of bored with it. I made it almost all the way through. There's only like 30 minutes left, and I was just like, I'm going to take off. Go see what's going on with the fire. Apparently the fire was an arson, allegedly, or suspected arson. And it's burned over 900 acres, 0% containment. I thought it looked contained from where we were at, but of course I'm on the Yucaipa Oak Glen side. And apparently the fire had burned over the hills into Beaumont and Cherry Valley. But from where I was at, you couldn't see that. That's over the hills. So then I saw on the news and I said, wow, that sucker's out of control over there. They did push it away from Yucaipa and Oak Glen. But it's now burning in Beaumont, Cherry Valley area, over 900 acres. There's a nice grill here. So he had a grill, or that's a stove oven, huh? No, I'm not exactly sure what this stop was for, but we'll stay and record for a minute. So I'm looking, and it looks like there might be a guy in the back seat. At least that's what it looks like. I think that's a face right there. I could be wrong. He's not moving. So maybe it's just a back seat. Right there. Oh, it's a light. It's just the light. Thank God for Zoom. So it's either in this car or that car. Did they take him already? The driver. It looks like he has a work truck. I hope he wasn't trying to deliver this stove. Somebody ain't getting their stove tonight. I guess they're going to be doing DoorDash. So we'll stay for a minute, see if he tows it. Right now the tow driver is just kind of BSing with him. And sometimes too, you'll see, if I stay here, they may open the back door to tell, before they go off to jail with the guy, to tell him, this and that, and your rights are this, and you're going to go to jail tonight, this is going to happen. And so if they actually have a driver in the back seat here, it's possible that they'll do that. see. So, what's this guy doing? He said I'm going to pull out of his way. So is he not towing it then? They're going to let this guy drive off? So is it going to be a sight release then? Let me stay for a second and see what's going on. As he pulled up and said, let me pull up here and get out of his way. So they're not going to tow it. It's going to be a sight release. Or is he going to tow it from there? I don't know. Maybe it's going to be a sight release. Not sure. That was kind of weird though. Oh, I thought I saw a guy in the back seat there, but I think that's the officer's hat hanging on a hook there. I thought it was a head, like a face. And we're on Bryant near Fur, if anybody's wondering where we're at. Bryant and Fur. And Yucaipa. He said, I'm out of your way. Oh, there's another tow truck coming. That's why he was moving. So, what did they go with, a contract tow or something? Or because he can't put this on the flatbed, huh? Because he can't put this on the flatbed because it's too heavy. That makes sense. That makes sense. So let me get out of his way so he could take a picture. Oh no, I was letting you take a picture. Make sure I'm not photobombing or anything. So he's... All right, so I'm going to take off. They're just going to tow it, I guess. And I got places to go. I got to go get gas first. But I guess they're going to tow it. I was still trying to see if they have a guy in the car, but I can't see. I'm going to walk slow right here. Yeah, I don't see anybody. I don't see... Doesn't... Oh yeah, there's a guy in there yelling, huh? Sounds like there was a guy in there yelling. Motherfucker!